Prayer for the golden children and the seventh root race. Divine light of creation, source of all that is, we call upon your infinite love to bless the golden children, the radiant souls of the seventh root race, born to usher in a new age of wisdom, peace, and divine harmony. May they walk the earth with grace and purpose, carrying the codes of higher consciousness, awakening the sleeping hearts of humanity and restoring the sacred balance of light. Surround them with protection, infuse their souls with clarity and strength, and guide them on their sacred mission to weave the frequencies of love into the fabric of existence. May the earth rise to meet their footsteps, may the stars align to illuminate their path, and may all beings recognize the dawn of this new golden age through the brilliance of their presence. So it is, and so it shall be.